How to set contacts display name by first or last on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Contacts app. After click on Contacts app, click on this three dot icon and click on Settings. Now in Contacts Settings, scroll down and click on Name Format. If you want to set first, first, last, and last first. If you want to set last first, click on last first. If you want to set first last, click on first last. So you will select name format first last and last first from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set contact display name by first or last name on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.